Man, it's real close. Okay, give me A. B. Okay, B has a bit more top end. So I would say that the A is Amonito and the B is the other M.
A is M, B is Amonito.
Oh, really? Give me A. So this is the M.
So this is A.
Okay.
This is M.
Okay.
Okay. B.
Amonito sounds better.
Alright, great.
This one, the second one is like more open. The first one is... Tough choice. I mean, they sound different, but both are cool. Yeah, it's a hard one, like. But I think let me play just one more time. I think I would prefer this one.
A.
Yeah, or this one.
This is the M.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch to the other one. Okay, let's switch to the other one. I think that this one is the amp.
Okay.
It has a bit faster response. They again sound pretty similar. Switch to the other one. I don't feel much sag. There's not much difference in sag. Switch to the other one.
This one's the amp and the other one is
Amonito.
Amonito.
Yeah, right.
Okay, give me A. Okay, give me B. This is hard one. B.
Yeah, this is B. Okay.
This is B. Okay,
Let's go
give
to A.
A. B. I think B is Amonito.
B.
B is the end.
Yeah. A is Amonito now.
A is Amonito. Okay. 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 Okay.